Hey JC, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And you have a good looking site here. Good photos, good design. These call to actions are good to have throughout your site for conversion. That helps as well. I'd maybe recommend putting a form for the same reason, just to help convert some of your traffic to your customers. And so one thing that I would recommend here would be adding some more content to your homepage. The reason is that Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they go through all the websites, looking through the content, seeing if there's keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And here is an example of a keyword, Foundation Repair Houston. And so when people search this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. If we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And so you want to be ranking with your Google business profile because the top 3 generally get the majority of the 30 to 40%. And the way that you rank is your Google business profile needs to have more citations than these other businesses, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want to have a good amount of reviews and photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and this is where your website would be ranking. And the rest of the 60 to 70% of business goes in this organic listing. But you want to be on the front page as high up as possible because that's where a lot of the traffic stays. I don't see you on this first page. 90% of people will not leave this first page. And so it is important to be on this first page. Let's take a look at this #1 ranking website, Atlas. So I have Atlas pulled up here. If we go through their site, they have some good call to actions as well. It would be really easy for you to beat them with content. But let's compare the back end of both websites. So I have Atlas plugged into Ahrefs. And so Ahrefs takes Google data, and then here are some ratings. So UR and DR, this is the authority and the trustworthiness of a website. And so they have 34 and 17, and 1.79 thousand backlinks are what's making up these ratings here. And then these backlinks are coming from 249 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one. So it's kind of like a shout out. Google is one big popularity contest. And so something to keep in mind here is that not all backlinks are created equal. Good quality backlinks will help with these numbers here, and then spammy ones will harm these numbers. And so it's very important to be intentional when you are getting backlinks. And Atlas has 721 organic keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at your website here and compare it. I have your URL plugged into Ahrefs. And so you have an 8 and a 0. And that's coming from 57 backlinks, from 15 referring domains, and there's 1 organic keyword on your website. And so something to do here would be to make sure that you get more high quality backlinks and add good buyer intent keywords on your website. And one way to get good high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. What you would do here is you would go look at Atlas's backlinks that they have and then link them to your website as well. And the reason that works is because if it's working for them, it would work for you as well. And then also adding some good keywords to your website. And so this is where some of their traffic is coming from. Foundation Repair Houston has 1.7 thousand people searching for this every single month. 400, 250, 250, 150, 250. And so there are hundreds and thousands of people searching for the services that you provide in the areas that you serve. And so it'd be really beneficial for you to get your website ranking higher so that you can get more traffic to your site, which would convert to your customers. And so I'd recommend getting your Google Business Profile ranking, so adding some more citations there, as well as adding content, keywords, and backlinks to your website. And if you ever need any help with any of this, I'd be more than happy to help you. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.